Hello everyone, welcome back to Trivia Tonic AQ.
K-pop Demon Hunters has taken the K-pop world by storm with its unforgettable soundtrack. How many times have you had the songs on repeat? Now it's time to put your knowledge to the test and find out if you're a true fan.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
First question, can you guess what song is this? Great start. The title of this song is Golden. Next, let me know the name of this song.
You're all I can think of, every drop I drink of.
Exactly, it's Soda Pop.
You're all I can think of, every drop I drink of.
Which K-pop group do you like more? Saja Boys?
Preaching to the choir, can I get the mic a little higher?
Or the Huntrix?
Turn it up, it's going down. Huntrix showcase, how it's done.
Ooh, both of them are so good I can't decide. What about you? Click like if you prefer the Saja Boys and subscribe to my channel if you prefer the Huntrix. Give me a smiley face in the comment if you like both of them. Can you guess who's singing?
지금 당장 날 봐 시간 없잖아.
You got it right, it's Jinu.
지금 당장 날 봐 시간 없잖아.
What about this? Whose voice is this?
Time, no fears, no lies, that's who we're born.
Rumi is the correct answer.
Time, no fears, no lies, that's who we're born.
Can you recognize this voice?
'Cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting.
Yes, this is Mira singing.
'Cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid.
Next, who is your favorite Huntrix member? Is it Zoe?
Try to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place.
Rumi?
I broke into a million pieces, and I can't go back.
Or Mira?
'Cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid.
Let me know your answer in the comment below. What do you think of this Huntrix's song?
Better sit down for the show, 'cause I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Rate the song in the comment based on the emojis. Let's continue. Which K-pop Demon Hunter character is this?
I see. I see.
Awesome, this is Dr. Han. He's funny, right?
I see. I see.
Listen carefully. Who's rapping?
Make me wanna flip the top. I'm gonna come make you hit the spot. Every little drip, the drop fit.
You got it right, it's Baby Saja.
Make me wanna flip the top. I'm gonna come make you hit the spot. Every little drip, the drop fizz.
Do you know the name of this song?
Now we running wild, yeah, I'm all you need, I'ma be your eye.
Bingo, it's Your Idol.
Now we running wild, yeah, I'm all you need, I'ma be your idol.
Let me know who's singing.
Why does it feel right every time I let you in? Why does it feel?
It's Rumi and Genu. Did you get it right?
Why does it feel right every time I let you in? Why does it feel right?
Who is your favorite Saja Boys member? Mystery Saja?
Can't let go, no, not tonight.
Genu?
Feel the way my voice gets underneath your skin.
Baby Saja?
Make me wanna flip the top. I'ma come make you hit the spot. Every little drip and drop, fizz and pop.
Abby Saja?
Keeping you in check, keeping you obsessed. Play me on repeat, 끝없이 in your head.
Or Romance Saja?
난 내 거야, 이미 알고 있잖아.
Let me know your answer in the comment below. Question number 14. Whose voice is this?
난 내 거야, 이미 알고 있잖아.
Exactly, it's Romance Saja.
난 내 거야, 이미 알고 있잖아.
I wonder who is this?
I said the only ones dying tonight are your fans!
It's the Demon Pilot.
I said the only ones dying tonight are your fans! We're gonna eat your fans!
What about this one? Any idea?
Take a big bite, want another bite, yeah. 너의 모든 걸 나 원해.
Abby Saja is the correct answer.
Take a big bite, want another bite, yeah. 너의 모든 걸 나 원해.
Tricky question, but I'm sure you can do it. It's the cat trying to set the flower pot upright. Question number 18. Can you guess who's singing?
Mirror, mirror on my phone, who's the baddest? Us, hello.
Awesome, this is Zoe.
Mirror, mirror on my phone, who's the baddest? Us, hello.
What about this one?
I won't love you more when it all burns down. More than power, more than gold.
It's Demon Mystery Saja.
I won't love you more when it all burns down. More than power, more than gold.
Can you recognize this song?
Dying king with the crumbling crown. Will he let the
Let the fire go out.
dying king with the crumbling crown? Will he let the fire go?
I wonder who is singing.
Feel the way my voice gets underneath your skin.
You got it right, it's Demon Genu.
Feel the way my voice gets underneath your skin.
Can you guess the character?
It's a lot more serious than I thought. The Saja Boys have gone completely viral after that.
Exactly, it's Huntrix's manager, Bobby.
It's a lot more serious than I thought. The Saja Boys have gone completely viral after that variety show.
Question number 23.
On the fame, cancel what I'm your idol. Thank you for the pain, cause it got me going.
This is Demon Baby Saja.
On the fame, cancel what I'm your idol. Thank you for the pain, cause it got me going viral.
Next question. Any guesses?
Yeah, you gave me your heart, now I'm here for your soul.
Demon Romance Saja is the correct answer.
Yeah, you gave me your heart, now I'm here for your soul.
Let me know what song is this.
Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like.
Exactly, it's what it sounds like.
Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like.
What about this song? Sounds familiar?
I don't trust it, but I want to. I keep coming back to why does it feel right?
The title is Free by Rumi and Genu.
I don't trust it, but I want to. I keep coming back to why does it feel right?
Another great song.
It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, you break down like that. It's a takedown.
It's Takedown.
It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, you break down like.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.